Langganan Tab Kasbi Best Pokoknya. Good value hotel staff super helpful to accommodate my needs. Near shopping center and food junction strategic location, near to supermarket, food junction, guac, and shopping mall. Good. Good hotel for new in city, looking for budget hotel is the right place, dining is good. Garbage under the beds. It's my second time at this hotel. This time, I'm with my kids, so I need a bigger space and more beds, so I choose a room with one queen and two singles. My kids are happy, but once I drop my things and look for it under the bed, OMG, so dirty. I only hope that the beds are clean as the appearance. Very good. Hi Perta Honkin Logi Kabersihanya, thank you. Don't book a room without window. Because the family rooms were fully booked, I thought, well, it's only for one night. I decided to book the very standard one. It was small and super duper stink. There was no window, no air circulation. I turned on the aircon and toilets fan, hoped after a while, the smell would be gone, instead getting worse. I called the receptionist and asked to change the room. I upgraded and paid extra for it, at least we could sleep better than the previous one. Great location. The hotel location was close to the Puka One Mall. Massage center is only across the road. The Paya Mall and convenience store is within walking distance, and there is a great restaurant and bakery called Bonami. The food was delicious. It's okay for one night. There is no refrigerator, no coffee or tea, only 2 bottles of water. Nice hot shower, fluffy pillows, good bed. It's not hard to find something to eat or to relax around. Overall, it's good for one night.